Hello students, good day. I am your teacher Ray and I will be teaching you language subject. But before that, always remember to wash your hands before you touch your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and especially before eating. So please stay safe. Before we proceed to our next topic, we will review first about animals, okay? Before that, we will do first our vocabularies. Okay, students, our first word is sheep. Sheep. Repeat after teacher Ray. Sheep. Let us spell the word sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Very good. The next word is birds. 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 Let us spell the word birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. And the last word is turtles. Turtles. Everyone, turtles. Let us spell the word turtles. T-U-R-T-L-E-S. Turtles. Good job. Okay, students, we will do some exercise. Okay? Now, teacher Ray will flash some pictures of animals on your screen. And then you put check mark if you think it is the right name, and X mark if it is not correct. Students, let's start. So, do you see what animal is that? Do you see what animal is that? Is that animal an elephant? Is that animal an elephant? Yes, very good. That animal is an elephant. So we answer check mark. Good job. What about this animal? Is this a sheep? Is this a sheep? Yes, you are right. It is a sheep. So we put check mark. Good job, everyone. Next one. Are they horses? Are they horses? Yes, they look like horses, but we call them sea horses. Again, sea horses. So we put an X mark. What about this animal? Yes, this animal looks like a zebra, but this is not a zebra. What animal is this? Yes, it is a horse. So we put X mark. Good job, everyone. Okay, the next exercise. Do you still remember this one? Where's the tiger? Where's the tiger? What you will answer again? If we see an X mark? Yes, very good. We will answer, I don't know. But if we see a check mark, we will answer what? What is it again? Yes, if we see a check mark, we will answer, here it is. Here it is. Great job. Okay, the next question is, where's the blank? Where's the blank? What animal again is this? Yes, it is a zebra. So the question is, where's the zebra? Where's the zebra? What is our answer again? Great job. Our answer is, I don't know. I don't know. The next one is this one. Blank the monkey. Blank the monkey. How do we complete the sentence? Yes, the answer is, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? And our answer is, you got it right. Here it is. Here it is. Where's the monkey? Here it is. Before we proceed to your activity, We will do first our last exercise. Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Please point the different animal. What animal is it? Yes, very good. It is an elephant. Repeat after me. Elephant. Elephant. Good job. Okay, we proceed to the next one. Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Can you point which animal is different? Okay, what animal is that? Very good. That is a zebra. Again, zebra. Everyone repeat after teacher. It is zebra. Very good. And for our last exercise, here, which animal is different? Can you repeat the question after teacher Ray? Which animal is different? Can you point which animal is different? Very good. What animal is that? That is, yes, that is a crocodile. Again, crocodile. Repeat after teacher Ray. It is crocodile. Very good. Okay, students, bring out your notebook or paper and number it from 1 until 10. For number 1 until number 4, you will just answer which animal is it. Which animal is it? For number 1, which animals live in the farm? Which animals live in the farm? For number 2, which animal live in the forest? Which animal live in the forest? Which animal live in the forest? Number 3, which animals live in the sea? Which animal live in the sea? Again, which animals live in the sea? And for number 4, which animals live in the farm? Which animals live in the farm? Again, the question is, which animals live in the farm? For numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, look at the pictures and see what does the girl or the boy like or don't like. Number 5. Can you see which picture is it? Okay, the correct answer is what? The first choice is, I don't like cats. Again, I don't like cats. The second choice is, I don't like frogs. I don't like frogs. Write the whole sentence of which you think the correct sentence that describes the picture. The next one is number 6. Can you see what the boy likes? Can you see what the boy likes? Is it the first choice? I like dogs. I like dogs. Or is it the second choice? I like birds. I like birds. Number 7. Which animal does the boy like? Which animal does the boy like? First choice, I like elephant. I like elephant. The second choice is I like turtles. I like turtles. The first choice is I like elephant. And the second choice is I like turtles. Number 8. Which animal does the girl like? Which animal does the girl like? The first choice is I like cats. I like cats. Again, I like cats. The second choice is I like fishes. I like fishes. Again, I like fishes. For number 9 and number 10, complete the name of the animal. Complete the name of the animal that is different from the group. Can you see which animal is different? Can you see which animal is different? Very good. What is the name of that animal? What is the name of that animal? What is the name of that animal? And for the last number, number 10. Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Can you see which animal is different? Can you name that animal? Can you name that animal? Great job, students, for answering our activities. And now, please open your book. Please open your book and turn the pages into page 84 and 85. Page 84 and 85. And please do the activities. Good luck, everyone. Great job, students! Now, before we say goodbye, always remember to wash your hands with soap, use hand sanitizer or alcohol before touching your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and especially before eating. And then, stay at home as much as possible. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.